Before and after on the peghead of my Gibson 1995 F-5G Mandolin. Bruce stripped, oiled, and veneered the peghead. Bruce Weber's 1995 decal in my Mandolin. Gibson warranty card that came with the Mandolin. Original nut on the Mandolin. I had him replace it with a new one. Bruce Weber, after the repair job on my 1995 Gibson F-5G Mandolin in his workshop. Just receiving my Mandolin back from Bruce Weber's shop after the repair job, and what an awesome job he did. Very happy with the work that was done. New nut on the Mandolin, replaced by Bruce Weber. A new Bruce Weber bridge installed. To adjust the action of the bridge, a wrench is supplied so you can adjust the action with full tension on the strings. Bruce did a speed neck job. Adds for a nice slide, no friction. Planed and refretted the fingerboard with 80,000 wire. Bruce also scalloped the fingerboard.